Hey y'all, welcome back to today's yoga session to help you shake off any stagnancy, awaken your energy, and boost your confidence. My name is Leah, or you guys can call me Baby Scorpio, and I'll be guiding you through this flow. Let's begin. Namaste. Come to a comfortable seating position and lengthening your spine and resting your hands on your knees. We're going to close our eyes for a moment and take a deep breath in through our nose and exhale through our mouth with a sigh. Let's do this two more times. Inhale fresh energy in and exhale heavy energy out. You're going to place your right hand behind you and your left hand to your right knee. You're going to inhale, lengthening your spine, and exhale, gently twisting to your right. And on your next exhale, you're going to come back to the center and switch sides. As you continue to switch sides, I want you to be open to this affirmation. I subconsciously accept forward movement towards anything and everything that is for my highest good. We're going to come to a tabletop position with our wrists under our shoulders and our knees under our hips. We're going to inhale, dropping our belly, lifting our chest and tailbone into cow pose, and exhaling, rounding our spine and tucking in our chin into cat pose. We're going to synchronize our breath and our movement, and if it feels good, add hip circles or sways to your shoulders and just allow your body to move however it wants. As you continue to deep breathe, I want you to be open to saying this affirmation in your head or out loud. I let go of being in survival mode and I reconnect with my body and true self. We're going to transition by tucking in our toes, lifting our hips up and back into downward dog. You're going to spread your fingers wide, press through your palms, and pedal out your legs. You're also going to shake your head yes and no to release any tension. Remember to do these movements slow and control and deep breathe as I say this affirmation. I am safe, grounded, and healed from all the negativity that has attached itself to me. Step your right foot forward between your hands and drop your back knee. You're going to inhale, sweeping your arms up, and exhale, bending your elbows wide like cactus arms. You're going to open your chest and feel your heart expand. In your head or out loud, I want you to repeat this affirmation. I am open to receiving endless possibilities in my life right now. Then step back into downward dog and switch sides. We're going to transition back into downward dog, step our right foot forward, and lift our back knee, rising into high lunge. And on your exhale, you're going to twist your torso towards your front leg and open your arms wide, staying strong in your legs. Feel all the power within you, keeping you strong and healthy at this time. I want you to embody that energy throughout the rest of the day. Step your feet forward to the front of the mat with your big toes touching. You're going to bend your knees and sink low with your arms reaching overhead into chair pose. Now pulse your hands behind you with 10 small squeezes and feel your back and shoulders wake up. Hold for one more big inhale, and we're going to exhale into forward fold. Step your left foot back with your toes forward and bend into Warrior Two with your arms strong, gazing over your front hand. On our inhale, we're going to straighten our front legs, reaching our arms up, and exhaling, bending back into Warrior Two, synchronizing our breath and our movement. On your inhale, you're going to come back to the center and switch sides. Remember to synchronize your breath and your movement as I say this affirmation. I am mentally and physically ready for major change in my life because I know that everything is working out in my highest favor. We're going to come to the middle of the mat, turning our toes out and sinking into a wide squat into goddess pose. I want you to take your hands and interlock your fingers, putting them behind your neck without putting any pressure on your neck at all. We're going to inhale in the center and twist to our right, and exhale. We're going to inhale again on our right side, and we're going to twist back into the center and exhale. We're going to continue on our left side, and I want you to stop when you come back into the center. Take your hands from behind your head and place them in the center of your heart center, and I want you to continue to deep breathe. We're going to come to a seated position with our legs straight in front of us. We're going to inhale, reaching our arms up, and exhale, folding forward into seated forward fold. Let the back of your body soften as I say this affirmation. I am worthy of being alive and well. Therefore, my body is fully charged within and without. Cross your legs and sit tall again with your hands at your heart. You're going to close your eyes and imagine yourself moving forward happily in your present moment. What do you see, feel, or hear? And finally, let go. Notice how your energy feels now compared to when you started. You created space, movement, and flow. So thank yourself for showing up to this yoga session. You are worthy of investing in your mind, body, and soul. Namaste. Share this video with somebody who needs a break in their day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.